Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question how good the BUZIO water jug, the 1.5 gallon large water jug is regarding keeping hot things really hot. I have already made a full review about this jug and I've tested it with cool stuff. I mean, I had filled it up with ice cubes, 1.5 gallons of ice cubes, and I let them sit inside at 80 degrees Fahrenheit outside temperature, which is pretty warm. And the ice cubes last for more than 1 week. I mean, not all of them, of course, first started melting, but the last ice cubes were still alive after 8 days, or like melted after 8 days. So more than a week of ice and cold water. But how good is it holding up regarding warm things? I mean, this thing is really solid. It has a double wall stainless steel insulation, vacuum insulation. We can feel that it's very strong. We have outside even this extra protection and a little bit of extra insulation also down here at the bottom. It's, I think, very same thing. Here we have the two nice handles and here we have the large lid, and it comes also with this nice handle, so everything is really good. We have also this extra opening here. And yeah, we can hear that there was some change. Obviously, regarding temperature, doesn't look too good. So let's open it and see. What I have noticed, that the lid was quite warm after I filled it 2 days ago with about 0.5 gallons of boiling water. Yeah, this was my largest cooking pan. I didn't have 1.5 gallons, so it's not directly comparable, but I would say it's a similar comparison still. And what I've noticed again, that this lid was pretty warm after that. When I filled it with ice, it was a little bit of coolish, but not really cold. But after I filled it up with boiling water, the lid stayed hot or really warm for quite some time, and that made me a little bit believing that the insulation here on the lid is not so good. So let's open and see. I mean, it's still warm inside, so let's test it here. And it says around, yeah, I would say 106 degrees Fahrenheit. How much Celsius is that? That's around 41 or 42 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that's definitely not a lot when we assume. I mean, we are here at about sea level. So when it was boiling, it was really close to 100 degrees. And now we have only 41 left. Or again, this 106 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not much. I mean, it's still warmer than outside, but definitely not much. And this is only after 2 days, and inside here we have very warm temperature. Again, it's around 80 degrees Fahrenheit or around 27 degrees Celsius here inside. So this is of course a little bit disappointing and definitely not the same performance as with something cool. And the reason I would say is because of the lid. The only weak point here is the lid. I mean, it's with all these jugs, so I'm not really complaining about that, but it is as it is because of the cool stuff. The cool stuff tends to go down, so the weakness of the lid is not affecting a lot the cool ice which is sitting down here. But for hot stuff it's different because the warmest air is going up and it's heating up the lid, and then the lid outside is cooling down, and it cools down also the inside. Yeah, if you want to keep maybe a soup for the weekend or so, when you go like for camping or so for the weekend, and you want to keep a soup warm for the whole weekend or so, yeah, that would definitely work, but don't expect it to be super hot after 2 days. I think it will be very hard to find something better than that, because the lid is always a little bit of a problem. I mean, I would say it's nicely insulated. It is what we can expect, but it's probably not like a double wall vacuum insulated thing. it's just like normal insulation here inside. And also here you can see, of course, at the very top there is of course no double wall here also. I don't know if it's possible to improve this, but at the moment it is as it is. But apart from that, definitely still full recommendation for this really well built jug here. The best thing which I've ever seen so far in this size. Absolutely perfect, nothing to complain. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.